how are you today?
I'm pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah.
So what's your full name?
My full name is SM Rakibul Hassan Bappi. Bappi is my nickname. I'm quite familiar with this name. My family member, friends who knows me, everyone call me Bappi.
Where are you from?
I am from Thakurga. Thakurga is the northeast district in Bangladesh. It's a very beautiful and domestic district in our country, which is located in Rangpur division. I was brought and born there, and I lived there for 20 years, and then I moved to Dhaka for my study purpose.
Oh, great. So what do you study?
I completed my HSC exam last year, and I am an admission candidate, but I have a dream. I want to go abroad for my higher study. That's why learning English is very important for me. And I came here, and as well as I am a student of Rahat English Care.
How many members do you have in your family?
There are 4 members in my family, including myself, my parents, and I have a younger sister and myself.
And what does your father do?
My father is a high school teacher. He is a very polite and go-getter person.
Okay, which country would you like to go?
I want to go Australia because Australia has a lot of opportunity for settle. I want to settle there. That's why I choose Australia. And if I go there, I earn a lot of money. That's why I want to go there.
Oh, you would like to earn a lot of money, and
Yes, sir.
that's why you would like to go Australia.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any relatives in Australia?
No, sir, I don't have any relatives in Australia.
You don't have.
No, sir.
What do you do in your free time?
I do a lot of things in my free times. In my free times, when I stay in my friends, that time sometimes we play cricket, sometimes we gossiping each other, sometimes we visit in a local area. In my free time, when I was alone, that time I watch movie. Sometimes I spend my free time with my family. We went somewhere to visit, and we share our emotion, share our happiness each other.
I got it to your point. And what's your opinion about Rahat's English here?
I think Rahat English Care is the best institute in our country. When I completed my HSC exam, that time I need to learn English. That time I searched a lot of institute. I found 2 institutes. One and another is Rahat English Care. Then I search which is best for learning English. That time I see they provide English spoken course just 2 months. At Rahat English Care provide 3 months. And first I admitted Rahat English Care online batch. Then I saw Rahat sir, his teaching method is very unique from another. That's why I decided to admit offline batch, and I came here for learning, and my English level is day by day increasing. Now I am able to speak English very much. That's why I think Rahat English Care is the best institute in Bangladesh.
Okay, thank you very much for your performance.